Want to open Mbox file in Outlook 365 but don't know a hassle-free approach? Try SysTools Mbox to Office 365 Migrator. Introducing the main features. Upload multiple Mbox files to Office 365 accounts in bulk. With impersonation to authenticate admin account and move Mbox files to different 365 user accounts at once. Without impersonation to authenticate individual user account in which you want to import your Mbox file. Option to maintain folder hierarchy and apply date range filters. Now let's start the video. Go to Google and enter SysTools Mbox to Office 365 Migrator. Click on the link shown on your screen. Hit on the download button. Now install and check its working process. This is an interface of software. Hit on Add Files button. Panel open. Select the file and click on Open. File imported. When you click on Next button, this window pop up and will show you the export destination of files. You can go with folder hierarchy as per need, then hit OK to proceed. Now you can see the two options, which is with impersonation and without impersonation. We will continue with without impersonation option. Enter your Office 365 ID here for authentication. Hit anywhere on the panel. Panel pops up. Hit OK. Now this will ask for the account authentication. Enter your password and sign in. Under the authentication column you see the green check. That means account is authenticated. Move down, there are two options. Mails are by default selected. Now all mails. In this option, all mails will export. Apply filter. Click on Set button. Here you go with the date filter. Select the date from the respective field, which is from and to. Hit Apply. Then Export. It's processing now. Now see the number of mails and how much time it took to export. Log into your Office 365 account for results.
And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us at support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.